If you are looking for a more user-friendly towel holder, check out these. If you are a renter and you don't want to do something permanent, you can just use these, take them off when you're done, and it doesn't leave anything behind. There is a little plastic shield on the back of these. Remove that, and there's a sticky residue all around the perimeter of this, and then in the inside is that suction cup. So you can do it a couple ways. You can take this all apart, just like this, and you can actually see the little sticky. This way you can see exactly where you're putting it, and then just put it on, put everything back. Or the way I like to do it, I just remove the back. I just push it against the wall, let that adhere a little bit, and then start turning the handle here, and that's gonna cause that suction cup to open up and grab hold of the wall. Pretty simple. They do say to let that set 24 hours before hanging something. Let me show you what it looks like. Just like that, perfect. Now you can use these inside of your shower for like your loofah. You can use them on your walls for towels. I even have one on my front door for my wreath that I hang. And then when I want to move it, all I have to do is again, just unscrew it. And there's your little suction left behind. And then you can I just wedge my fingernails underneath here, and it lifts gently without taking any pain away. For whatever reason you're looking at purchasing these for, I definitely recommend. Just really nice looking, very heavy duty, easy to put on and take off. So I hope this video has helped.